Hey guys, I'm Lisa for wtfLisa Tarot. I get messages through songs and stuff. It's all so weird. A pack of cats. I have one earbud in, one earbud out. So I can hear the songs, but you can't. Like, share, and subscribe. Drop a tip, cash at wtfLisa Tarot. That'd be kick ass. Shop wtfLisa eBay. It's random because that's how eBay is. Reading, soap, bath bombs are wtfLisa Etsy, and there's a ton of links in the description. A lot of links. Uh, cause he's going the distance. Da-da-da-da. I got cake, the distance in my ear. Let me get some coffee. It's very early in the morning when I'm reading this. Racing and pacing. I must start it over. Reluctantly crouched at the starting line. Engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes. The flags go up. Turning and burning. They yearn for the cup. Oh no! So there's a cup at play. There's a green light, but I feel like someone just didn't move. Is their car stuck? What's this vibe? The turns are in your marks. Get set, go! Why are you still sitting there? King of Cups, Magician. The fans get up. Six of Coins, Page of Wands. Maybe someone Chariot put all their money, their bets on Cancer energy with that Chariot, King of Cups, but it just could also be any water sign male or older masculine. They were like, this is the sure bet. And then when it was time, Seven of Wands, Ace of Swords to take off, Temperance, dude couldn't move. Failure to launch vibes, Judgment. So he did not go the distance. They did not see this coming. The winner, Divine Femme. Queen of Coins, you could be an Earth sign, Taurus energy too with this higher thought, but I'm not getting that. I think everyone bet, it's that vibe of betting on the Karmic male. And then the obvious winner, Divine Femme won. It is that vibe again. Some of you are stuck with a catalyst, a defective butt monkey masculine, not a divine one. This is that vibe. No trophy, no flowers, no flash bobs, no line. Bowels shaking, earthquakes of doubt and remorse. So again, your karmic males failed again in some cases because that's all they do. Repeat. Fail, repeat, fail, repeat, fail, repeat. And some of their minds, some of their victories are victories, but everyone else is kind of looking at them like, you're fucking dumb fuck. It is. Stuck in love, in your business, unfair. And my favorite card, the Ass Clown card. He's going the distance. In some cases, contract has been severed, but he's still carrying on like he's gonna come back and renew a contract. This energy, though, is that you were never meant for the contract. That's why you never had it. You've done all this stuff. You've gone the distance for nothing. I've had another energy. There was another reading, and I already forgot what it was about because I did it days ago, but I haven't posted yet about nothing for nothing. I think I'll probably post these together, so it'll sound weird to you guys, but to me. And this energy, again, is a bunch of people doing a bunch of dumb shit for nothing, as always. Vacation energy chomper. Yeah, dude does nothing. The energy vampire. I've done nothing this whole time, but now I want to come in. You're a little too late, bitch. You're always slow. You're defective butt monkey masculine. That's what you are. That contract has been severed because of your idiocy. It's done. Ship sailed. That's over. Defective butt monkey. You've been put into the defective pile. Again, it's replacement vibes. He's like, I'm here now. It's like, you're about to be replaced, bitch. Divination stalking. They're trying to figure out text messages, the way to approach. Oh, there's a card stuck behind that. Slander. I have Don't Let Me Get Me by Pink. Win first place. I don't support the team. I can't take direction and my socks are never clean. Teachers hated me. My parents hated me. He's gonna come back and this is the sad sob story. And it's like, you already know this story, bitch. I have the same story myself when I didn't become a defective butt monkey like you. Why are you so slow? Jail, weird, I'm a hazard to myself. Jail and weirdo. Snitch, played out. We already know you're an idiot. Get the fuck out of here. Your replacement is coming anytime. Can't have you, your riffraff, stink around here. So irritating. Don't wanna be my friend no more. I wanna be somebody. Yeah, I wish you were somebody else too. That's why you're getting replaced, bitch. I wanna be somebody else. Karmic masculine, you're such a mess. I can still see you standing there. What are you still doing here? Get the fuck out of here. a pop star. All you have to change is everything you are. Wah, too late, bitch. Oh, I'm waking up now. Well, you slept in too late, you defective bum monkey. I hope I'll see you again sometime. Nah, not in this lifetime. A day in the life of someone else, cause I'm a hazard to myself. I don't know how to let you go, but you're gonna have to. Cords cut. You decided it with your own defective monkey behavior. Au revoir. So irritated. Maybe by this full moon, the permanent detachment, and you'll be put on a new script. Replacement vibes. Some of you are on different timelines. I've gotten this energy before, and it happened for some people. Others are like, hey, I didn't get my replacement. Well, I don't know your timeline. This is a general rating. You didn't pay for a personal one, so deal with it. Figure out your own timeline. I'm just giving general information for general stuff. Doctor, won't you please prescribe me something? Ace of Cups, justice, for surgery. Reap what you sow. If you're a defective butt monkey, you go where defective butt monkeys go. Or you get replaced. Why? Defective butt monkeys are gross.